This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Wendy Everett. Twin Lakes is St. Cloud's, gated, highly sought-after 55-plus active lifestyle community, and this desirable and spacious Marco floor plan allows lots of open and airy living space and room to spread out. The well-appointed gourmet kitchen has oversized granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, including a gas cooktop, a custom glass backsplash and custom light fixtures. The custom glass and crystal light fixtures, special upgraded palm tree-themed ceiling fans, designer window treatments and blinds, one-of-a-kind glass-etched front door, 20 level 3 ceramic floor tiles, and solid wood cabinets throughout the home are just a few items that make this house a home. State-of-the-art remote control blinds for the triple pocket sliding doors that open to the oversized screened-in lanai adds an additional living space. The seller has added additional shelving for storage in the garage and has added gutters on the exterior of the home. The additional thousands that the seller has spent to create a lush landscape on the exterior of the home welcomes you every time you come and go, creating a tropical oasis. The lawn maintenance is included in the HOA, as well as a large clubhouse with a state-of-the-art fitness center, games rooms, large resort-style pools, tennis courts, lake access for fishing, canoeing, and kayaking. Great location, easy access to Lake Nona, shopping, beaches, and a quick ride to the airport. Hurry, this home won't last. For more information, review the details below.